Hi, what's up guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I'm going to do a unboxing of the Apple AirPods Pro 2. So this is the front, the Apple logo, AirPods Pro, Apple logo, and here's to confirm it. AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And here's the back right here. It's just pull tabs, no plastic around the box, just to save plastic. So let's go ahead and open this up now. This makes it a lot easier to open, so I don't have to grab my knife to unbox. Got the pamphlet here, designed by Apple in California. AirPods Pro booklet. The warranty guides. Nobody reads that crap. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and take this out. Here's the case right here, and this is for the lanyard. And the speaker is for the Find My. And let's go through the box. Take this out. And these are the ear tips to swap out if I need to. And here's the charger, the Lightning to USB-C. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. Here's the ear tips right here. Extra small, small, and large. So let's go ahead and take the AirPods Pro out of the plastic. And I got these at a good deal at Best Buy today for 200 bucks. So they were originally $250, but I got a good deal. So here's the AirPods Pro 2. Let's take a look at it. Here it is. Let's take one out. Here it is. Right here. The right AirPod. And the left right here. Let's put that back in there. Okay. And that'll be it of my unboxing of the Apple AirPods Pro 2. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. If you did, please make sure to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews and more tutorials and more Adventure Time Plus videos and gaming videos. And if you guys are new as well, make sure to sub, comment, and rate this video, and turn on your upload post notifications so you guys don't miss the video from me. And now this will be Alexander Bosko now signing off, and peace out.